Jai Hind everyone. Today I will be talking about India-US relationship. As these are two powers. First, the power, global power of the whole world, which is USA, and second, the power of Asia, which is India. So, talking about the relationship, as India and USA are the world's two largest and oldest democracies in the world, respectively. India and US relation is understanding the lesson of the two nations is important for the whole world and for the Indian as well. Talking about the areas of cooperation between both the nations in trade and economy, as US is the largest trading partner of India. The bilateral trade reaches to across over $140 billion annually. India imports defense equipments, advanced technologies, and oil and gas, and India export pharmaceuticals, agriculture products, and IT services. Now, talking about defense cooperation, both the nations cooperate in defense sectors such as doing military exercises like Yuddh Abhyas and Malwar. Coming to the next aspect, which is cooperating on uh, world platforms such as Quad, which ensures free and open Indo-Pacific region. Second, G20, which ensures economic and sustainable growth. And at last, UNO. Now, coming to the next aspect, which is talking about the people to people ties. A large diaspora of Indian people live in America, which is representing and improving the economy of the America. We have the examples of major American companies like such as Google CEO, which is Sundar Pichai, second CEO of Microsoft Satya Nadella. These are some of the best examples that are improving the economy and growing the importance in America, which also represents the soft power of India. But despite these progressive friendship relation, the countries also faces challenges such as recent tariffs, trade war, dispute over and concerns over different topics such as America supports Pakistan, which is a concern for India, and India has a good relation with Russia. As USA also advised India to reduce the dependency on Russian oil, but still India maintained uh, a large import of Russian oil during the Ukraine war, which uh, which promoted more tensions between the nation. Now, talking about the way forward, both nations should regularly talk high level diplomatic meetings. Second, should cooperate more in trade and should finalize the trade deal which is in progress in present. Third, should cooperate in sectors like AI, advanced technology, space, quantum computers, and cyber warfare and cyber security, so as to ensure a safe and mutual growth of both. At last, I would like to conclude my topic that India US relationship has begun from the Cold War era and the relation has now shifted towards comprehensive strategic global partnership, which is showing the mutual trust between the nations and growing the economic and sustainable powers. We need to counter the challenges which are in a way, and by tackling these challenges we can strengthen our relation to much higher level and can boost the economy of each other by respecting each other's sovereignty and integrity. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.